everybody, welcome to another one of these things. I'm at day 2 of the Toronto International Film Festival. I was here for day 1 with my Sony 15mm f1.4, just trying to test whether or not I want to actually keep that lens or not. Well, I'm a little bit more prepared today. Let's see what we can get.
I'm reinventing myself. I'm me and nobody else. Ooh, I can't help but smile.
I do believe that all our major news outlets have now switched to shooting Sony. This is a 5-foot-tall Pharrell Williams for his biography, all in Lego, called Piece by Piece. A lot of beautifully dressed people ready to see some premieres. This is Catalina Gillies for City News here in Toronto. Himalaya makes some awesome custom Range Rovers, this one for charity. If they were giving away cars for free, I would have lined up for this one though. I think I saw this in the gift shop at Universal Studios. Nespresso used to be the coffee sponsor at TIFF, now it's Lavazza. In other news, Frank Gehry has designed a new condo in Toronto. I'm guessing these two worked in a wardrobe department for some film. The security at TIFF by Sword Security. I don't know what these guys were getting paid, but this guy's got Mont Blanc sunglasses and the matching watch. Very nice. California State Tourism making their presence known. Mar and I are way overdue to go visit my niece in California. Hello, Phoenix. Professional vlogger Olena Skilecka from Ukrainian Radio in Ottawa, undoubtedly here to cover the very controversial Russians at war. I don't know if I should be more impressed by the color coordination or the fact that she's shooting film on a Pentax. Very cool. Would have Louis Vuitton anticipated their handbag be used as an umbrella? Maybe not.
Hey there, here we are back at my humble studio. I wish that I could just hang out at TIFF all day, every day of the festival. Not a reality that I live in. It would be wonderful just to be out there with a couple of my long lenses trying to catch some celebrities, which, you know, clearly I didn't catch any this time. Couldn't wait around. Ben Stiller was showing up later on that first day, and but I had to be back here. So many A-list celebrities in the city right now, and it would be fantastic just to hang out at some of the usual spots here in the city where they're seen and get some shots. I'm waiting on some gear that I'll be doing some of my pseudo reviews on for you guys. And in the meanwhile, I thought that it would be nice just to give you a glimpse of TIFF for those of you who haven't been to TIFF before or aren't attending TIFF this year, just to show you what the city looks like when TIFF is going on. It's a very exciting time. Even if it's one of the years Mara and I don't have tickets, like this year, we normally will go and hit one of the patios and keep our eyes open for celebrities. She's much better at that than I am. I'm not very good at spotting celebrities, but she definitely has a talent for that. And we'll probably be doing that this coming weekend. So for those of you who are curious, and I know that's most of you, I shot all of that stuff on 3 lenses. the 30mm Sigma f1.4, the 15mm f1.4 from Sony, the G lens, which I told you that I'm considering selling actually, and of course my favorite lens for shooting that kind of stuff, the Viltrox 75mm f1.2. Anyway, as usual, I hope you guys got something out of this one. If so, consider leaving me a thumbs up. If not, that's okay too. If you want to make sure you don't miss any of these, please consider subscribing. And of course, my usual sign off. Until next time, keep working to make your chosen idea a reality. Peace.